Dear students, as we have completed our second topic, today we are meeting just to discuss about questionnaires related with the topic number 2, namely modulation and demodulation, which will be useful for you for study purpose. The first question which is given here is select the correct alternative for the following. You have to write the answers. The question is the process of modifying high frequency carrier wave with the modulating signal is called as dash dash. Alternatives are given. You have to select one of the correct alternative. Second one is in amplitude modulated wave, if E maximum is 3.8 volt, E minimum is 1.5 volt, then modulation index MA equal to dash dash percentage. You go through the video lectures, you will get the formula, get it solved and write the answer. The process of recovering the original information from the modulated wave takes place in dash dash. Watch the video and write the answer. The process of recovering the original information from the modulated wave is known as alternatives are given. Go through that. Next one is in AM, DSB is obtained by suppressing dash dash. So almost all answers you will get it in the video lectures. Again there is an example, a 100 MHz carrier is FM modulated by 5 kHz sine wave. If resulting frequency modulated signal has a peak frequency deviation 50 kHz, then modulation index equal to dash dash. You will find formula in the frequency modulated wave. Use it and solve. Dash is an example of digital modulation, very simple. The amplitude of an audio signal is 25 volt and that of carrier is 50 volt. The percentage of modulation is dash dash. So here modulation index is expected to be calculated. In amplitude of modulated wave equation, you will get the formula. Dash is used in transmitter. Alternatives are given. Try to solve it. The output power of FM wave is dash dash. Try to learn the video lecture carefully to write the answers of this 1 marks question. The amplitude of sideband in AM is dash dash. Detection is used in dash dash. Very simple questions. Number of sidebands in ideal FM signal is dash dash. If modulated index is 1 for an AM transmission, then dash dash. The ratio of peak amplitude of the modulating signal to the peak carrier voltage is called a dash dash. Just I am reading. You have to write the answers. If modulation for 100% modulated AM wave, total power is 1800 watt. Then power transmitted in each band is dash dash. For ideal amplitude modulation, the modulation index is dash dash. A diode detector produces dash type of biasing. This you will get in either envelope detector or ratio detector. In FM, for given frequency deviation, the modulation index varies. In frequency modulation, you will find the formula. By knowing that formula, you can write its answer. Frequency and phase modulation together is known as dash type of modulation. At the beginning only, at the beginning of the topic only, we will get its answer. A balanced modulator is used as, you will read it carefully. We have studied the balanced modulator. The amplitude of sideband in AM wave is dash times the carrier amplitude. To eliminate drawbacks of low frequency signal and to radiate them, dash is necessary. Out of 4, what is used? In AM modulation, in AM modulating index is dash. Merely it is a definition of modulation index. In low level amplitude modulation, the amplifier following the modulator must be. The amplitude of audio signal is 10 volt and that of carrier is 50 volt. Then the percentage of modulation is dash. Overmodulation occurs when? What is the condition to occur the overmodulation? Single sideband needs what it needs. In FM, sidebands are spaced at an interval dash. 100 MHz carrier is frequency modulated by 10 kHz signal so that the maximum frequency deviation is 1 MHz. Then the bandwidth is of FM wave is dash. A 5 kHz carrier with 60% modulation produces dash kilowatt in the sideband. For this question, no alternatives are given. So, find the formula of power distribution in amplitude modulated wave, solve it and write the answer. Then the short questions likely to be asked for 2 marks. What is the need of modulation? So simple questions. Give 2 advantages of AM and FM. Give SSB principle. Define demodulation. Draw the circuit diagram of ratio detector. What are the merits and demerits of frequency modulation? Distinguish between AM and FM with 2 points each. In AM wave, same example it is given here. What is the importance of modulation? Define PAM, PPM, define TDM, FDM. What are the types of modulation? Define FSK, ASK. What is the concept of DSB? What is VSB? Define PCM and PWM. So these are the questions likely to be asked for 2 marks. Then the questions for 3, 4 and 5 marks. That is distinguish between AM and FM. Explain need and importance of modulation. Explain concept of DSB with need circuit diagram. Explain concept of SSB with need block diagram. Explain concept of VSB. Explain ASK and FSK concepts. Explain PAM and PPM. Explain PCM. Give concept of PWM. So they may be asked together or they may going to ask separately. Explain ratio detector. Then some examples may going to ask for 4 marks or 5 marks. The examples are also given. Try to solve it. If not, we will discuss. Long answer to questions. Explain amplitude modulation along with the necessary waveforms and deduce mathematical expression for AM modulated wave. Details associated with the amplitude modulation. Then prove that total power in AM wave is PT is equal to PC into bracket 1 plus MS square upon 2. Power distribution in AM wave. We derived this formula also. Explain frequency modulation with necessary waveforms. Hence, derive modulated wave equation for frequency modulation. Details regarding the frequency modulation. It is expected. Then what is a demodulation? Explain envelope detector as a demodulator. Explain how carrier wave is suppressed by DSB technique. What is a digital modulation? What are its types? Explain pulse code modulation. So these are the long answer type questions likely to be associated with topic number 2. Dear students, these are some of the questions just to get an idea how questions are likely to be asked on topic number 2. If you look to these particular questions, some examples are asked, and it is true. In most of the question paper, examples are asked. So that's fine. Please go through that also. You go through this particular questions, these questions, try to get it solved. The questions for which you are unable to solve, we will discuss on that. Try to solve the examples. If no solution for the examples, please contact me. We will discuss how to solve. Again, I will repeat. We have completed the second topic in all respects. Please, after watching all the video lectures, be ready with Zoom Meet on Sunday, obviously at 4 p.m. The link will be sent earliest. So that's all about the topic number 2. Rest we will see in the next time. We will meet with next topic, that is topic number 3, namely antenna and radio wave receivers.